Hey guys, welcome back. So it's about 100 degrees outside. So hot. It's like 3 in the afternoon. I just buttoned up my other video and I wanted to just get started on this because I have a few events coming up and I wanted to plant a few things and tidy up a few things, at least a few pots. So I thought I'd take you along with me for this first little bit, and then I'll end up finishing this videos in a couple days. And I'm gonna get up at like 6 a.m. because it's so hot. But I'm trying to get as much done as I can today. So let me show you what I'm planting up. I'm actually really excited about it. Okay, so over here I have this little pot. I don't know if you remember, but I potted up some little super bells. I always want to call them coral bells in here, and they died when I was out of town. Kind of expected it. I feel like with this little pot, I always have to just rotate what I have, and it lasts for a while, and then it just doesn't do well. But I had to thought the other day that I should do succulents, and these are so cute. I probably have too many, but that's okay. I have plenty of places in my yard to tuck these in. But I'm just gonna put as many as I can in here. Do you think I can fit all these in here? We'll see, but I thought that would be so cute on my table. This goes on my back table, on my back deck. And so I was gonna try that, and I was kind of worried that I'd have to be in full sun all day because I'm not super familiar with these kind of succulents. And so I read up on it a little bit, and morning sun is best for these, especially in such a small container, because by the time the hot afternoon comes, you don't want these in full sun, especially because that's going to dry out so quickly that it'll get too hot. But I also have to be careful to not water these too much. It's going to be kind of a learning experiment for me because I've never really grown these in a little pot like this before. So I thought that would be kind of fun. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. And I love this kind of lower pot here. It's so cute. Do you guys like this nail polish? I'm finally putting nail polish back on my fingers. Been so busy. This is Sunny Bunny from OPI, so I'll try to remember to put a link down below, but it's so cute. I love it. Love it, love it. And then over here, I added another hanging basket in another video, and I have other pots that I have underneath those hanging baskets to catch the water drip. So since I have an extra one now, I need to have a few plants in a pot underneath it just to catch that drip. This is the one that I have. It's not completely the same as my other one, but it's kind of tucked back. I'll show you guys. We'll go out there in a second. If I'm feeling up to it, I might pop in. I bought a few more of these to go in the other pots. How many did I buy? I should have bought 4. Let me see how many I have. Well, I only bought 3. I should have bought 4, but it's okay. We'll just do one without it. I think some of my vinca has died. And things tend to die in those pots because they either get too much water or not enough. And it was kind of a crazy year because I was gone so much and my hanging baskets did terrible, and then they got way too much water, so things got soggy. But we'll go take a look at those right now. So out here, I'm giving my hanging baskets a little break because I can probably hang it up now because it was so hot this afternoon and they're trying so hard to recover, but they're looking okay. But see how this has too much water in it, so I need to empty that out. I probably won't put one in here. We'll see. I need to add one. I can pop one in right here. So wherever I can find space. The vinca seem to do okay in this one, so maybe I won't do that one. But this is the hanging basket here, and I'm going to put the pot here to catch the drips. Exactly what these do. So I need to, where is it? I'm going to turn this down. Well, I think it's fine actually, because I watered them a little extra with fertilizer, and that's why they're a little full. So I'll dump that out. If this ever happens and I see it, I will come and dump it out so it's not sitting in water all day long. But you can see some of my plants aren't doing that great, and I'll probably pop that out. Actually, maybe I'll pop that out. This one's not doing too bad. This one's not doing good, and pop the flower in there. And then maybe if I go to, I think it was Lowe's where I got those at, and they looked really good. Maybe I'll grab another one. And I need to clean these up anyway because they're a mess, so I might as well get it done. But let's go out back now and pop those up. So these are chick charms. This is powdered pastry. So this is full sun if it's in the ground. If it's in this pot, I don't think you're gonna want to do full sun all day long, but you want it to dry in between waterings. So I'll be curious to see. Oh, that's good. I want it a little taller in the middle. more soil. They are kind of soggy right now, so probably not going to water this in. These are going to be so cute. Tuck them pretty tight. I'm trying to spread these out, but it's kind of awkward. On them all in a row. I wish I had 4 of those, but that's okay. I gotta get dirt in there. Clean all this dirt off the top. Cute. I'll kind of rinse it off. Okay, on to this. Okay, those are all done. Fluff this up a little bit. That'll be cute. And cute little succulents in there. Love it. I need to kind of let this dirt settle. I was trying to wash all these little chips off of them, but I think it'll be fine after a couple days. Try to pick those off. So, okay, now let's go pop those in and take care of those and get that done. Even though I don't want to, it's so hot, but I'm just gonna finish it. Okay, I feel better about that. I just left this one alone, and then I ended up just doing it in this one and that one, and I think that's fine. I don't want to change anything else. I ended up being a little messier than I wanted it to be, but a little fresher. So hopefully those will last the rest of this season. We will see. Sometimes I have to change them up again. And then I got these hung back up. Like I said, they're struggling a little bit, but we're trying our best to get them to pull through. So, oh, and I forgot to show you this. Look how cute. It's gonna be perfect here, I think. Hopefully I don't kill it. But it looks so good. It'll get morning sun and then protected the rest of the day. And then I have this pot here, forgot to show you guys, under this basket. So I'm gonna turn the water up a tiny, tiny turn on this one. So it's been a week or so and I realized I didn't do a little outro for my video, but I wanted to give you a little update on this. Look, you guys, it's grown so much. I did have one casualty back here. So I'm not sure what happened, but the other ones are happy. Look at this, we got some blooms. And I've maybe watered it 3 or 4 times since I've had it, maybe 3, so it's doing pretty good. And then everything else is hanging in there. But thanks so much for joining me as I worked on this little project. This is probably the last little project that I'm gonna have out here, but I'll have a garden tour soon, and I have some perennials to get in the ground, so that'll be my next few videos. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.